Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Takaya Lachey here. Today, my video is going to be on how to do a twist out and have your curls defined and juicy and all that good stuff. If you like how my hair looks, keep on watching. Okay, so this is me after deep conditioning and detangling my hair. It's looking a little crazy, but I'm showing you all my supplies. I have my Denman brush, white tooth comb, spray bottle. I got the Mio conditioner that I love. And then I got some Camille Rose almond twist butter and some Eco Style. Okay, so right now you see me separating my hair into sections. I'm going to do 4 sections, one at a time. First section, I'm saturating it in water, making sure it's kind of wet because my hair dries really fast, so yeah, making sure it's wet and then putting some Mio in it. Getting it really slippery. Okay, so now I'm grabbing a medium-sized section and I'm just gonna put some of the twisting butter on it. Try to define the curl a little bit. Use a Denman brush to help me do that. And then I'm just gonna do a 2-strand twist all the way to the end and twist the bottom to make sure it's curled. And do another section all the same way. Okay, so when it got to the top of my head, it was important for me to part it in case I wanted to wear it in the middle part, or sometimes I even do it on the side, but you don't want it looking crazy all in the front. So I went ahead and did the middle part, and now I'm just going to twist this part. So I had just got my hair straightened like a few weeks before this, so my ends weren't curling up as much as I wanted them to, and it was kind of stressing me out. But it still looks decent, but my curls can do better. Yeah, I don't know how hard I was trying to not cut the ends of these twists that weren't curly enough, but I'm just like, no, I'm gonna keep them moisturized and they're gonna curl back up. So I didn't cut them. And then I just showed the halfway point, and now I'm showing y'all my last twist, I believe. Okay, so I'm finally done with my whole head, and I just cannot believe it. And I'm thinking in my head that I look like Felicia. I'm childish. But yeah, here I go counting them up. How many y'all think of that? It's 21. And then this is me 2 days later. I'm just going to use some shea butter in my hands and take them out that way. You can use anything with like an oil property in it so that you have less frizz when you separating them. And yeah, when I'm separating them, I usually just start from kind of the end and feel where the two strands are and separate them like that. And then you kind of pull one and they separate even more, and then you pull them apart from the middle and then the top. And I messed up one and it was kind of frizzy, so I tried to retwist it real quick and like repair it while I untwisted the rest of them. But yeah, I'm gonna continue taking the rest out. And to sleep with this for those 2 days, I just put a bonnet on, honestly, so that worked. And yeah, my hair only took 1 day to separate. I mean, not separate, to dry. But I ended up leaving it in for 2 days because Easter was the next day. So I'm like, I might as well not get cute until Easter. Not doing nothing. And yeah, I'm just separating them all. Making sure it's all separated in the back. And then I'm going to take out that one that I had messed up. And then I'm just going to rub some shea butter on the frizzy part. And it worked enough for me. So that was cool. Okay, so now I'm thinking about how I'm about to style it and stuff. And I decided to do another separation and just break all of the ones that are already untwisted apart to just make it fluffier and more full, how I like my hair. And I don't like how the middle looks because of my roots, so I just toss it over to the side, and it honestly looks cute just like this, but I'm extra, so of course I'm not gonna leave it like this. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I went ahead and did a side part, did a little bit of baby hairs on the side. I did have to add some bobby pins over here on this side because my edges was being crazy. I used some edge control in the brand Eden, E-D-I-N, from the Beauty Supply. It's a really good edge control on natural 4 type hair. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want to see more natural hair videos. I really enjoyed doing this. Like, this is my first time having a twist out that I actually liked, and I don't know if it's because of the products I used or the fact that my hair is way healthier than it was before, or if it's because it's longer. I don't know, but this is so cute. And yeah, if you got any questions on this look, comment below, share with your friends, and stay tuned, more videos to come. Bye.